Hi, I'm Annette Rushing, owner of Custom Cakes in Savannah, Georgia, and today I'm going to show you how we make our Southern Magnolias. Here are the tools and supplies needed to make the center of the Magnolias. First is styrofoam, some gum glue, a cornstarch pouch, shortening, 18 gauge wire, wire cutters, needle nose pliers, a small palette knife, size guide, and a pair of small, sharp, pointed scissors. Using the wire cutters, I'm going to cut the wire into 3 equal parts, and with my needle nose pliers, I'm going to put a hook in the end of the wire. Take your 50-50 combination of fondant and gum paste and knead it into a ball. Using your size guide, place the ball into the size 11, making sure that 2/3 of the ball is above the hole. I have a size 11 ball of 50-50. I'm going to roll it into a ball, and now I'm going to use the side of my palm of my hand and make it into a cone. Kind of flatten it out a little bit. Okay, so it looks like that. I'm going to take my wire with the hook, put just a little bit of gum glue on the edge, take off the excess, insert it about halfway into the cone, and now I'm going to form it around the wire. So it looks something like this. Using your palette knife, make some ridges around the bottom 2/3 of the cone, not too deep to cut the paste, but light enough to still leave a mark. All right, now we're going to make our cuts in the top third of the cone. Put your scissors into the paste just a little bit and then cut. And you want to make your cuts all the way around in a line if you can. So snip it and keep turning until you get to the original cut. And we want to do this with all of the cuts. So we're going to go around and curl down and curl under. Now we're going to make our second line of cuts, and we're going to come up slightly and cut in between where we had cut the first time. Again, we're going to turn down the edges, curl them over, and then curl them down. So we want to try to get them as curly as we can. Now on the third, we'll go up a little bit and begin again, same way as we did before. Now if your scissors are getting a little sticky, you can always wipe them off with some shortening, and that will prevent the gum paste from sticking to it, or the 50-50 mixture. So cut it around until we reach our starting point, and then curl and curl them down. Curl them over, curl them down. And now we're going to do it again. This will be the fourth line. So just keep cutting until you go all the way around. Curl them over and then curl them down. And you can see if we were using all gum paste instead of the 50-50, how this would be much more challenging. So now we've got a little bit more time to work with, and we can really make our curls look good. We're going to cut some more. All the way around. There we go. And then just curl them over and curl them down. And now we just have this little top piece left. So go ahead and cut all the rest of it. Make all the rest of your cuts now. There we go. A little piece right in the middle. Just kind of curl them over, curl them down. All right, that's what we want it to look like.